Let me tell you a quick story. A guy named Mike had a 2008 Honda Accord, over 220,000 miles on it. The paint was chipped, the seats were worn, but that engine? That thing ran smoother than some brand new cars. His secret? It wasn't magic, or premium gas, or fancy additives. It was 7 key things, simple, often ignored steps that brought the engine back to life. Now most people think when an engine gets old it's all downhill. Power loss, weird noises, stalling. But that's just the engine begging you to listen. It doesn't mean it's dying. It means it's asking for help. Today I'll show you how to make your engine run like new again, even if it's got over 100k miles on the clock. Step by step, real solutions, no hype. And trust me, step number 7? It's something even many mechanics don't mention, but it can literally transform your engine overnight. Before we dive in, if you're serious about keeping your car running strong for years to come, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We bring you real-world fixes that save you real-world money. Now let's get to work. Step 1. Stop guessing. Start scanning. Engines don't just fail. They whisper, then they shout. And that whisper? It's usually a small fault code. That's why your first move should always be a full system scan with a quality OBD2 scanner. Forget the cheap $20 readers. You want one that can read live data, reset maintenance lights, and even activate specific servicing functions. Ideally, one that auto-detects your VIN or lets you choose your exact make and model. Plug it in under the steering wheel, turn the ignition to on, and scan everything. If you get something like a P0301, that means a misfire on cylinder 1. Could be a spark plug, could be an ignition coil, could even be fuel delivery. But here's the twist. Sometimes you get no codes, and yet the car still runs like trash. That's when ghost codes or mechanical issues kick in. So the scanner isn't the solution, it's the starting point. From here, we go deeper. Step 2. Clean the forgotten power gate, your throttle body. Most people don't even think about their throttle body until the car starts jerking like a rodeo bull. When carbon builds up on the throttle plate, airflow becomes restricted. This causes hesitation, rough idling, and even random stalling. The good news? You can fix it in under 30 minutes with basic tools. All you need is a throttle body cleaner, not carb cleaner, a screwdriver set, tissues, gloves, and a rag. Find the throttle body between the intake and the airbox. Remove the air duct. Carefully open the butterfly valve, spray it down, and wipe away the carbon like you're erasing a decade of neglect. You'll be shocked how smooth your engine runs after this. Step 3. Change the engine's lungs, the air filter. Imagine trying to breathe through a dirty sock. That's what your engine is doing with a clogged air filter. This is one of the most ignored maintenance tasks, and also one of the cheapest and most effective. A dirty air filter reduces power and drag, increases fuel consumption, makes the engine run rich or lean, weary, can even trigger check engine lights. Pop open the airbox, check the filter. If it's gray or black, toss it. A clean one costs under $20, and your engine will instantly breathe easier. You'll feel the difference at the pedal. Step 4. Clean the MF sensor. Seriously, do this. The mass airflow, MAF, sensor is like the brain's eyes. It tells the ECU how much air is entering the engine, so it can mix the right amount of fuel. If it's dirty, the ECU starts guessing. That means poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and even misfires. Here's how you clean it. Find it between the air filter and throttle body. Lighter, unplug it. Use only MAF sensor cleaner, nothing else. Spray the sensor gently. Let it air dry, no towels, no touching. This one tweak can wake up horsepower you forgot your car had. Step 5. Use the right oil and change it on time. Not all engine oils are created equal, and using the wrong one is like forcing your heart to pump sludge. High-mileage engines need high-mileage oil, formulated to protect worn seals and resist burn-off. And yes, synthetic oil is usually worth it, especially if you're aiming for a like-new feel. Change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles if your engine is older, not the 10K intervals dealers tell you. Pro tip: always warm up the engine before draining. You'll get more of the gunk out. And don't forget a quality oil filter. Step 6. Add a combustion chamber cleaner. It's like an engine detox. This is where things get interesting. Over time, carbon builds up inside the cylinders, especially on the tops of pistons and intake valves. This reduces efficiency, increases knock, and lowers power. Use a combustion chamber cleaner like Seafoam, BG44K, or CRC GDI IVD. Add it to the fuel tank or spray it into the intake, carefully following instructions. Yes, your exhaust might smoke. That's the carbon burning off. Afterward, your engine will idle smoother, respond faster, and feel like it shed 50,000 miles. Step 7. The trick. Most mechanics don't tell you. ECU reset and relearn. You've cleaned everything, replaced the air filter, changed the oil, but the car still feels the same? That's because your ECU has learned to run with dirty parts. It's stuck in its old habits. Here's what you do. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes. Reconnect it. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Wait 10 seconds. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 minutes without touching anything. Then take it for a calm 10-minute drive. Low throttle, no hard acceleration. This process helps the ECU relearn the new sensor inputs and air-fuel ratios. You'll be surprised how much sharper your throttle feels, like waking up from a long nap. Outro, final thoughts, plus CTA. There you go, 7 powerful steps that can bring your tired old engine back to life. Remember, most engines don't fail because they're old. They fail because they were ignored. You don't need a new car. You don't need a $3,000 repair bill. You just need to pay attention. These DIY steps cost a fraction of what a mechanic would charge, and they could extend the life of your engine by years. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I've got more real-world guides coming that'll save you thousands over your car's life. And if you've got over 100,000 miles on your car, let me know in the comments what you did to keep your engine running strong. Until next time, keep wrenching and keep your car alive.